Hi guys, welcome to AWS DBA. In this session, we are going to see how we can create a DB snapshot. Amazon RDS creates a storage volume snapshot of your DB instance, backing up the entire DB instance and not just individual databases. Creating this DB snapshot on a single available zone DB instance result in a brief I/O suspensions that can last from a few seconds to few minutes, depending upon the size and the class of your DB instance. For MariaDB, MySQL, Oracle, and PostgresQL, I/O activity is not suspended on your primary during backup of multi-available deployments because the backup is taken from the standby. For SQL Server, I/O activity is suspended briefly during the backup for multi-availability zone deployment. When you create a DB snapshot, you need to identify which DB instance you are going to backup and then give your DB snapshot name so you can restore from it later. The amount of time it takes to create a snapshot varies with the size of your databases. Since the snapshot includes the entire storage volume, the size of files such as temporary files also affects the amount of time it takes to create the snapshot. To create a DB snapshot, in the navigation pane, choose databases. In the list of DB instances, choose the DB instance for which you want to take a backup. For actions, choose take snapshot. In the tag DB snapshot page, the settings section, for snapshot name, enter the name of the snapshot in the snapshot name box. Choose take snapshot. In the snapshot page, we are seeing snapshot is creating. It will take some time based on the individual database size in the DB instance. Now, progress status is completed, but still we are seeing the creating status. After available state, you can see the snapshot creation time. Now DB snapshot status is changed from creating state to available state. Also, we are seeing the snapshot creation time. For restoring from a DB snapshot, you can refer next video in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and refer to your friends.